Okay. Hit it. Almost. Pump it. Pump it. I think you're leaking fuel.
You're gonna learn today. Click. Well, that's what I just said.